Why do cats sound like that? I'm gonna tell you right now. It is not what you think. Here are some fun facts about why cats sound like that. Part 2. When a cat is happy, it will purr to communicate that it is content. The sound that we associate with happiness is actually a very low-pitched rumble that only humans can hear. Cats can't purr while they're awake. It's their way of saying, "I am so relaxed. I am so happy." When a cat hisses, it is trying to say, "Get away from me. I am scared." The sound is a warning sign to predators that the cat is not happy and may scratch or bite if approached. Cats meow at different pitches to communicate with humans. They know that we understand the higher-pitched meows better. So when they want something, they'll meow at a higher pitch to get our attention. If a cat is feeling adventurous, it will make a chirping sound to communicate that it wants to go outside. This sound is often accompanied by a tail flick and an arched back. All of these sounds are normal and healthy for cats to make. If you hear your cat making any of these sounds, it is likely that they are just communicating with you.